to be from direct exposure to this critical message.
This is a message from the state of Mississippi. This is not a test. All residents in the state of Mississippi must evacuate. Lock doors. All residents in the state of Mississippi. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Are you thinking? Are you thinking?
Don't be posting that online.
This is an emergency notification. You're thinking. Photos. Please, if you see that, please go away. Date. Liam of the state of Mississippi. PPSP. Mississippi Guard. Mississippi, Jackson City, state of Wisconsin, Thank you for reading my face.